Morning students, today we will study class 7 chapter number 4 exercise 4a. In last class we have discussed up to question number 17 and today we will discuss question number 18. Question number 18 is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. आपको जो ब्लैंक्स दिए हैं वो आपको फिल करने हैं. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन हियर -9/5 equals to, after that blank is given, 20 equals to 27 upon blank is given here equals to -45 upon dash. These all are blanks, you have to fill it. Okay, I am explaining you this question. The question is filling the blanks. -9/5 equals to blank is given here upon 20 equals to 27 upon blank is given here equals to -45 upon blank is given here. Okay, you have to work with this number. आपको इस नंबर से वर्क करना है. इसके ऊपर 5 के हाउ मेनी टाइम्स डज 20 कम इन द टेबल ऑफ 5? इट मीन्स 4. -9/5 into and in multiply का आप साइन लगाएंगे और आफ्टर यू हैव टू पुट हियर 4 and in numerator also 4. 9 4s are 36 -36 upon 5 4s are 20. 20 is given here. Now in next is given here 27 upon blank is given the same -9/5 multiply. Now how many times does 27 comes in the table of 9? It is 3 times. Multiply by 3. 9 3s are 27 upon 5 3s are 15. Second number is 27 upon 15. Now third is given here 45. How many times does 45 come in the table of 9? -9 into or 5. 9 5s are 45. It means you have to multiply and divide by 5. 9 5s are 45 upon 5 5s are 25. It is the second number is -45 upon 25. Okay, this is the procedure you have to fill in the blanks by. You have to work on only this number on -9/5. Same I am writing here homework also. You have to complete it. Homework question number 18 part second part is your homework here. Only 2 parts are given in this question. Now we come to question number 19. The question number 19 is given, which of the following pairs, question number 19 is which of the following are pairs of equivalent rational number. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 में कहा है कि जो भी इसमें पेयर दिए हैं वो कौन से इक्विवेलेंट रैशनल नंबर के हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन है -13/7 39 upon -21. This pair is given to you. -13/7 39 upon -21. You have to find क्या ये दोनों पेयर, these pair are equal in, these pair are equivalent to their rational number. First of all, what you have to do? You have to do -13/7 and write here 39 upon -21. Do cross multiplication between these two. 7 की मल्टीप्लाई 39 में, 13 की मल्टीप्लाई 21 में. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल -13 मल्टीप्लाई बाय -21. ओके, नाउ सेकंड 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 39. यू हैव टू do multiplication between two number, between these two. -13 multiplied by -21, it will come 276. In this 39 multiplied by 7, it will become 276. It means these rational number, the total multiplication is same, so the rational number is equivalent to each other. यानी ये rational number क्या है? Equal है दोनों के. These two rational numbers are equal. मल्टीप्लाई करना है it is 273, not 276, 273. Multiplied 39 multiplied by 7, 9 7 is 63, 3 carry 6, 7 3 is 21, 21 and 6 27. It is 273. If you are multiplying minus 13 and 21, 13 multiply by 21. It will be 13 multiply 3 to the 6 and 2 1 the 2. 3, 6 and 1, 7 and 2. See, both of them are same. It is 273. Okay. You have to do all parts homework. Question number 19 from 2nd to 6th. Question number 19 part 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is your homework. In question number 20, the question number 20 is find x such that you have to find the value of x. The question number 1 is given here, minus 1 upon 5 equals to 8 upon x. Same procedure you have to do here. You have to do 1 upon 5 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन 8 अपॉन x. ओके, आपको यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करना है. -1 इंटू एक्स इक्वल टू 8 इंटू 5. -1 की x में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इट वुड बी ओनली x. 8 5 जा 40. इट इज योर आंसर. 40 is your answer. You have to do question number 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. All parts you have to do in your copy, but -1 multiply by x, it would be a minus x equals to 40. So x equals to, sign will be replaced, x equals to minus 40 would be your answer. It is your answer, minus 40. Question number 20 part, question number 20 part 2nd to 6th. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th is your homework. After that, the question number 21, question number 20 is which of the following rational numbers are equal. Same you have to do what you have, which you have done in question number 19. जैसे आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 में किया था, सेम प्रोसीजर आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 में करना है. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू वन क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज गिवन हियर 8 upon 12, 8 upon -12 and -10 upon 15. What you have to do? 8 upon -12, after that -10 upon 15, cross multiplication between two. 8 multiply by 15 and -12 multiply by -10. It would be 120. Here also 120 means 8 upon -12 and -10 upon 15 is equivalent, is equal to each other. Okay. Question number 2nd and 3rd. In question number 21 part 2nd and 3rd is your homework. After that, last question of this exercise, question number 22, state whether the given statement is true or false. You have to do it by your own. Question number 22 you have to do. Okay, you have to write only true false here. Okay, now in our next class we will study exercise 4b. Exercise 4a has been completed. So thank you and have a nice day.